If you're tired of dealing with tangled cords or tripping over cables in your garage or workspace, the DEWENWILS 30-foot retractable extension cord reel might be exactly what you need. This compact, easy-to-mount reel features a 30-foot, 16-gauge SJTW power cord and a 4-foot lead-in cord, giving you plenty of reach for most shop or garage setups. It's rated at 10 amps and 125 volts, and it includes a built-in circuit breaker that automatically cuts power if your connected devices draw too much current. A great safety feature. If it trips, you can easily reset it with the push of a button. What really stands out is the automatic retractable mechanism. The cord pulls out very smoothly and locks in place at any length using a built-in ratcheting system. When you're done, it retracts neatly without kinks or tangles thanks to the auto guide rewind. Installation is simple, with a durable metal mounting plate and a bracket that lets the reel swivel 180 degrees. It comes with mounting screws and wall anchors. I highly recommend mounting this into a stud, but if not, you can use the drywall anchors. Just make sure that you're not pulling too hard. You certainly don't want to rip it off the wall. Whether you mount it to the ceiling or wall, the swivel design gives you flexibility to pull the cord in different directions without binding or twisting. It's a great way to free up valuable floor space and keep the cords out of the way. I don't know about you, but I can never roll up an extension cord without getting some sort of kink in it. And at the business end, you get a triple tap grounded outlet with a built-in power indicator light, so you know when the reel is live. You can power up to 3 tools or devices at once, which is super convenient for any DIY project, automotive work, or home repairs. Overall, the DEWENWILS retractable cord reel is a smart, reliable, and space-saving solution that adds safety and convenience to any garage, workspace, or hobby space. It's UL listed, well-built, and priced right. Definitely worth considering if you're looking to upgrade your workspace. So if you're in the market for something like this, I've had a number of DEWENWILS products, including a couple of retractable extension cords, both outdoor and indoor. They make a quality product that you will not be disappointed with. Give it a shot. Hope this was helpful, and reach out anytime with questions or concerns. Have a great day.